Alright, good morning YouTube. We are deep in the woods this time. I'm not sure if anybody has been here in a long time. I was out here clearing existing trails and I decided to take a break and try something different. So I am on an old logging road now that I don't think anybody has been on in a very long time. This place is in bad shape up here. I don't know if you guys can see the map here. I'm going to try to get it close to the camera. This is some existing trails. We just went past a trail that is supposed to branch very steeply downhill according to this scale. You can see where I was just over here. I was clearing trail all throughout there. What I want to do is find this piece that links up to this track over here. Come on. Anyway, that's the plan for today. My goal is to be out of the woods by roughly noontime. Anyway, I got this far through the woods, so I'm just going to go back and clean up stuff I crossed, because there's places where branches needed to be snipped down. And there's one tree needed to be sawn, and there was some deadwood that needed to be removed from underneath, because it could be a hazard of sorts. Anyway. Tried using the machete on shit like this, but it's easier just to break it. The goal is to clear down everything low-hanging that will possibly stick me in the eye when I'm standing up on the bike, which is about as high as I can reach, roughly. That's something I stole from the house. There we go. Put that back where it was. And I have the bike keys. Good, in case the zombies come by. Steal it while I'm sitting around doing nothing. I was trying to figure out how to carry the tools while I'm back here in the woods, and I think what I should do next time is either mount them on the bike or get one of those little a tool pouch to wear on my waist. Like some people do. I think carpenters wear those. Wow, this is going to turn into a guilty pleasure, I can tell. This is a secret bit of single trail, which I haven't shown to anybody yet. In fact, it's so secret, this is my first time on it. Alright, now what do I do with this navigational hazard? I'm going to deploy some sawing technology here. Oh, never mind. Problem solved. Great. Nobody ain't nothing has been through here in a while. Forgot something. It's a nice little trail. Has some uphill to it. Should probably take the backpack with me. Oh, that's something I can leave in here for now. It's basically harmless. I mean, I suppose this is kind of risky technically being out here in the woods by yourself, but you know, I spent a couple thousand hours just doing that when I was a kid, so I seem to have survived the experience okay. Mostly. Aside from having these weird habits like enjoying exploring some piece of woods that I've never been in. Yeah, I'm mad at myself now. I've been going back here for months. And I never stopped to check this place out. So yeah, while I was clearing trail earlier, I was finding out that there's a certain distance I can cover reasonably, and it's like, I want to say it's something like 75 to 100 meters away from the bike in either direction. Alright, I like this a little bit better because this is a little bit of a zigzag, and from that side it just looks like it's blocked if you're at a distance. But if you know the trail is here, you're in luck. Now, according to the map, somewhere up here there is a trail that branches off to the left. It's a very steep descent, according to the map anyway, that connects with another piece of trail that I've been on before. Or disused logging road is what it is. I might have to go find it from the other end and come back uphill. Or something like that. Guess one of the big experiments will be, let's see if the quad people come in here now that I've gone through here. Okay, since I haven't ridden here before, what I'm doing is just checking the ground for weird little obstacles like a pit that I could fall into, or I don't know, anything that's going to throw the bike down. Whew. Getting spider webs across the face. Nobody has been in here in a while. No. Except maybe Bigfoot. What the f*** is this?